while there are so many people. What's going on?
Yes, it is the IHOP training today. Haven't you heard about it?
It seems that our pastor talked about him, but I wasn't paying much attention. So what's our job today?
We are here to talk about Gaodao.
Hold on. Gaodao, I see. It's a department store in Taipei.
Oh my god, not that one. It's K-Hub, Kaohsiung House of Prayer.
Yeah. That's what I mean. Let's talk about K-Hub.
Every Tuesday from 6 to 8 p.m., we have worship with the word from Song of Songs.
On Wednesday from 6 to 8 p.m., we have children's session. Imagine a group of junior school and elementary school students worship God by themselves. It's so amazing.
On Thursday from 6 to 8 p.m., we have a meeting specifically for winning the city.
On Friday from 6 to 8 p.m., we have a youth meeting. Young people, do you want to worship God with zeal? Come and join us.
In addition to that, we have one sing gathering monthly on the first Friday.
We also have training programs from time to time, like Proskuneo and IHOP trainings.
Finally, if you are willing to support what the Lord is doing in K-Hub,
you're welcome to ask for the support information from our beautiful ushers.
Don't forget to join us in the prayer room.
See you
next time.
Bye bye.